How old are you? How old are you? Huh? 30 years? Really? Wow. You're 30 years? And your mom is there, your dad is there? How many do you have? How many siblings do you have? Huh? 9. 9 siblings. Are you the last? The first son? Is any of your brothers here? You just came alone?
No.
Huh?
It's old.
Your ugly. Who's your ugly?
See the old lady.
Fantastic. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Can we see your membership card? Yep, can you show me your membership? Oh, okay.
Is that his file?
Yes, this is his file.
Did you go to school?
That's what I want to check. His credentials.
Are you working closely with your governor? Is he aware that you're here?
I have seen when he went
How
to
optimistic are you to win the? Do you have any opponent running? How do you want us to help you? Yes, how do we help you?
You want to help me to pass the school and
You will pass the screen.
yes, go back to the province because people called me to serve and I will serve. I'm not going to call myself. It's, it's people that call me to serve them.
Yes.
Oh my God.
And you want to serve them. And how many of those people are running? How many people are running against you?
In APC?
Yeah, in
No,
APC.
only 2.
Only 2.
Yes.
Why don't you talk to the other person to step down for you?
No, he's the current member, he's the second member.
How many times has he
Not
done?
the first time.
First time. Why do you want to replace him?
No, it's not from me, it's from the people.
I know
That's okay. Write your name.
What's the level of education? You have not seen it.
Number 8?
Yes.
What of his credentials?
We will come to that.
Hello, Manu. Okay.
The constituency.
Yeah, yo.
The camera person is saying, so your camera is blocking.
Right here. Yawa, yanzu na jin ka.
Can we see your certificate? Which one? You have first degree?
Okay.
What do you have?
So sun wuce kenan.
Let me see your name.
His name Kwabi. He submitted SSC.
Okay. Bada bada sa. So komai ya tafi daidai in ke. Akwai a kuren na wurin aiki ne.
These are your documents.
Congratulations. Congratulations.
These are your copies.
We have it in the file here.
Can you help on the reference? No, it's mine.
Okay.
Good luck.
Yeah, good luck.